Welcome to the workshop, everyone. This video, as the title implies, is about the brake lines on the big truck. When we installed our Deaver Leaf suspension, we got a 6-inch lift we weren't expecting. And while that may settle in over time once the box is back on and there's some weight on it, our brake line is the center brake line here that goes from the cross member down to the axle. Oh, I'll show you. So that's the brake line I'm talking about. Look how tight this line is. Okay, today is tomorrow. I ran into a little problem yesterday because the hard line that goes from up here, this is the drop from the frame to the axle, and I ran into a problem where the hard line that runs from here to the steel line that goes, or the braided steel line that goes to the wheel caliper, that was rusted up so bad I was just going to replace it. But I'm down here to show you this is the bracket I welded up yesterday. Let's get her put in. You know it's a big truck when you can climb under on your hands and knees. Okay, that wasn't so bad. I ended up breaking most of the hard lines and needed to replace them. But on the upside, I have all new brake lines front to back and a complete fluid flush, so I don't need to worry about brake lines for a long time. I'd like to thank Edmonton Brake and Clutch for the really quick turnaround time on these stainless steel braided lines. I ordered on Wednesday and they had them in my hand Thursday morning. So that's really appreciated. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button, like, and leave a comment. We'll see you in the next one.